Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yes.
Where are we, Daniel?
We are walking straight to Rio de San Francisco Javier.
Oh my gosh, I thought you memorized.
Javier.
That's what I was
Oh.
saying earlier.
Javier. I don't like the Spanish.
Let's go
I can
guys.
speak Spanish now.
Oh, there's umbrellas.
Wait, tama ba?
Ay, tama ba? Uy, walang laman yan. Hindi ba sarado yan? Uy, pwede.
Ito yung mga boba sa hapon eh. Sige,
Is this allowed? I feel like it's locked.
Gago! Gago, legit pagkatingin natin sa Rado na yan. Ayun yung experience natin sa Balwate.
Let's stop. Let's stop
We're
here.
not dumping that.
Okay, that's all for our vlog. Okay, here's the continuation of our vlog. No doors. Hindi na tayo malalak.
Sabi naman,
Saan tayo? Is this right? Tama ba to? Ang ulan. Dilim. Bawal.
so balon? Bawal.
Ay, may... Ano yun? Open ba?
Parang nakakatakot siya pag gabi, no? Parang,
Oo. Parang abandonada or something.
okay, tara na.
Bawal. Parang bawal. Okay, that's all for our vlog again. Hello guys, we're back again. Aray. Asan tayo? Ayan. Hello guys.
Okay.
May tripod na ako. Ano na to? Stable na.
But many started.
Guys, where are we going?
This is not Fort Santiago yet.
Oh, this is not Fort Santiago yet.
Once we enter that wall,
Louder your voice. They can't hear you.
once we enter that wall, that is the Fort Santiago.
Okay.
We are in the premises of the Fort Santiago.
Okay. Is there a Hey, you did not continue the song.
Who?
You.
Oh, I don't wanna sing that part. That's just so sad.
Isa pang araw. Ano to na isa pang araw?
Isa pang araw na
Kaya naman, walang nakulang panahon. At ang meron tayo ngayon. Oh, it's so dark.
This is so
Oh my gosh.
terrifying.
Guys,
I'm so scared lang. Be careful, guys. It's very sweet. Rachel, be careful. Natakot ako talaga. I want dalawang hawak ko eh. I'm so scared.
slowly lang.
Dito bumabas yung series. Oh my gosh. May
Ano yun? May pupo? Wala may pupo.
hindi may leak. Wala, parang tayo nasa Mondstadt. Can you please? Sorry.
Okay, break mo. Okay, tapos na ang break. Where are we going next?
We're going to the Fort Santiago.
Fort Santiago. Ang layo mo, Mar.
Wait lang kasi. should.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Hawakan mo yung payong ko.
Ito na kukunin ko.
Oh. This is our videographer. Si Mariel naka-cellphone na oh.
Tingnan mo, di mo nga. Ay, sorry. Nag-chat yung mama ko eh.
Ay, sorry. Hello po, tita. Ay. See, there's no poo-poo here.
You don't know.
Wala,
Maybe it's
pati-
fertilized pa na.
Pero there's nothing growing naman eh.
This side. Done.
No.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Put this.
Hello, tignan mo. Hindi ka dent.
Hindi, may dento talaga.
May
yan.
dent. Sakto yung dent sa ano. Wait lang. Another po na small.
Okay na yan. Wala na akong pake.
Grabe, nilagay ulit sa... Okay, sorry.
Hindi, hawak ko lang kasi parang pagod lang.
Pagod na. Natatakot kasi siya.
I thought we're foreigners. Stop.
Hey, stop.
Tagalog.
Let's go. Okay, we're back again.
We're back again.
Let's go. Is there a time? Ano umpisa ng katang isip? Ito ang iyong gusto. Hoy.
Caloocan City. Gagi, ganyan yung turo ng mga PUP.
Angas.
Oo nga, oo. Hindi na ganyan ba talaga yun? Parang ganyan talaga. Ginawa ata yung pero kasi ang PUP ata, gawa din ata yun. As in, ganyan talaga.
Wala ba sila?
Why is the, ano? Why is the water?
Why is the water green?
Because it's dirty. There's too much bacteria there.
Ah.
You guys excited?
Let's go!
I am thrilled.
Oh!
I am thrilled to be a prisoner in this place.
Let's go, guys. Grabe, there's red lights pa.
Look the view.
Oh.
Imagine.
Drone
feels
shot,
like
drone shot. Human drone.
it feels like you're in a Spanish era talaga.
Yeah.
Okay, when you're in this view.
Let's go, guys.
I'm entering my alma maters.
Alma Maters! Oh. Oh. Is there a lifetime? Sorry, nanginginig yung cameraman.
We can try that first eh.
Saan tayo? Welcome, Plaza de Armas. What is the Tagalog of Plaza de Armas? I mean English.
Armas? Weapon of arms. Plaza? What's plaza? Place? Hindi.
I don't know.
Palasyo ang palace. It's a place I think. Place of armas. Weapon place? Okay, never mind.
Okay, let's
Never
go.
mind. You were never mind.
Is there a lifetime? You will never mind.
English is not allowed. You
Oh.
have to speak in Spanish.
Ay, Spanish. Hola. Mi nombre es Rachel Anel Capansana.
Ano?
Ano?
Ano nang agree?
C.
Hindi. Yes, yun eh. Agree.
Ah,
Do comprendo.
¿Tú eres dónde? ¿Tú eres manzanas?
You are an our person.
¿Dónde manzanas? ¿Dónde?
Oh. Que sera?
Ah! Kesera-sera. Ano ba yun? Kesera-sera. Kesera-sera. Let's go to the Raja Sulaiman. Raja Sulaiman Theater. So, barak siya. Bawal. Uy, pasok kayo. Paano mapapakita yung view?
El Banco de Manila.
Oh, El Banco de Manila.
Sundalo.
Dito si Jose Rizal. Nag-spend
Before
na?
his execution. In-expel?
Nag-spend.
Nag-spend? Before his
Was
execution.
there a lifetime waiting for us?
You can go there.
Tara. Oh, the reincarnation. Ay, graduation.
Lala.
Graduation siya.
Grabe spotlight to.
Kaya, may sarili yung spotlight. Grabe. Ay! May step pala. Runway, loko kayo. Ito na. Contestant number 1. Is there a lifetime? Oh, Vogue. Hey, pose. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Head turner.
That is the protasio in me.
Rotasyo.
Dead. Anong drop dead?
Drop dead.
Ay, gago. Di ba si Olivia nasa verses?
Oo.
Gago.
You want it?
Oh, there's some funny, funny place where you will enter the small spaces. I'm claustrophobic.
Guys, payungan ko kayo.
Tayo sa close space. Okay, let's try that. It's like a cave.
Ano? Uy, bawal ba talaga mag-video? Lego. Okay, where are we, guys? Where are we?
Tangi, where are we? Oh, can we go? Oh my god, this is so
Entrance.
so small.
The entrance to the dungeon. Ano to? Kailangan natin ng fatigue. 180 fatigue. Anong difficulty ng dungeon? Ay, sorry.
Tangi, where are we?
Tangi, where are we?
Uy, natatakot ako pag ako nadulas. You're not gonna sleep. You are! O yung cellphone mo, paano to? Pag nahulog ako.
Wait lang, pass the phone.
Pass the message. Oh! Uy, Rachel, dandan. Hindi ako makahinga dito. Baba ako?
Kalma lang.
Aray, buntog ako. I'm scared.
Yan.
Ang bango. Ha? Hindi ko gusto amoy. Ako din nasusuka ako. Naiyak na ako. Facial ka na. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina di ako nakahinga eh. Mag-ano talaga ako, mag-uubo talaga ako ligit. Pag gano'n sa ulo ko. Nina mag-ano? Okay, go. Oh, kadiri. Parang
Alis na tayo?
ano nga na? Ikaw na rin. Ikaw na mag-explore, oh.
Ako mag-explore. Hawakan niya yung ano. Hapa yun.
Anday ka.
Okay guys, this is my solo vlog.
Ay, sure, bumalik ka, ha?
Oo, babalik ako.
Bye-bye.
Uy, huwag yun naman ako iyon. Hindi, sige, okay lang. Bye-bye, Mar.
Kaya?
Pwede ka sa manood din. Grabe. Sana proud si Sir noon sa akin. Sige, explore ko yung part sa chat. Wala, pag ako naligaw. I hate this. Oh! Bakit? Andito ako.
Wait lang, antay mo ko. Grabe na ako patalakot ko.
Nakapag-film ka.
Exit ka na doon?
Oh!
Wait lang.
Wag mo na pa... sige. Is there... Echo. Grabe. Medyo natakot ako sa vibes. Pero okay na. Wala na. Sumunod si Marian?
Nandun. Kamila.
Punta na lang natin. Okay.
Oh! 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 What the fuck is that? Hindi siya ganun kaamoy dati.
Wait, ba't wala ko naamoy? Okay guys, we are on the surface. Si Marian? Ako si Marian. Hello guys, we're back at it again.
Yeah.
Saan na tayo?
Yun yung ano, yung batches ng mga Korean. Korean. Yun yung mga ano, grupo-grupo na. Hello? Grabe sumama yung pakiramdam ko dun, boy.
Kaya nga, parang bumaba, umiba yung vibes. Lumala yung ubo niya. Sporting Berlin, morning tonight.
Game!
Tuition.
Sabayan mo ako. Sabayan mo ako. Alam mo, wala akong boses. Sige, yun yung kanta. Ano yun? One. lang. Tell the whole damn world how. Game. 1, 2, 3.
Wait lang kami.
Ito na lang ako.
Pati ito.
Bakit? Ang bigat. Go. Game 1. Go. And tell the whole damn world one night I was born in bed. One piece.
Hirap siya. Ang dami niya.
Ako din lang ako.
Hindi mo pa yun.
Pagod na ako, gago.
Thank you. Where's my panyo?
Ayun yun na. Yung horror. Let's ay! Sudo.
Paano yan?
Okay, so wala.
Tapos
Sana,
na?
ang ganda pa naman dyan.
Ano meron dyan?
Yung loob ng ano.
Saan sila pumupunta? Ayun, no?
I don't know.
So, tapos na yung tour?
I think so.
Aww.
But we can take pictures so that it's
Oh.
not wasted.
Kanta. Dumadaan araw, di na malaya na ubusin ka ng oras.
Humiling, isa pang araw na ikaw lang ang kasama. Kulang na kulang ang panahon. Di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Okay naman na gabi. Tapos na? Okay na naman ka.
Yay, cafe! Gawin natin yung ninja. Wow! Hi guys! This is us. Anong this is us? One night, change phones. Phone na to ni Daniel.
Hindi natin nagamit yung DJ ko.
Ayaw nga. Okay na. Sayang, ang...
Kami yung pang-drop din.
Ayaw nga. Kaso, ay hindi. May flash pa yun habang video. One night I was... Oh, what? May ilaw pa, may spotlight pa. Oh. Grabe ang city lights. Ay, hindi pala city lights yan. 3 lights.
Parang nga nasa ibang bansa tayo.
True. Standing like this. Ano, kunin ka digicam?
Huwag na, ang dami ko naman. Wait lang.